Since we're here, I'll show you the parts of the pump very, very briefly. This is a filter. This filter sits on the end of the pipe that runs under this ground and sits in that tank. In the maintenance on it, you empty the tank, because there's stop valves everywhere to isolate. You empty the tank and you just get the grit out like this, and you fill it back up again, and that's all there is to it. This is the pump. This is what powers it. This and these. No electricity, no fuel, no solar, no diesel, no nothing. These rubber pumps and the water out of that tank. I'm not going to put it together, it'll take too long. But basically these are constituent parts. It comes with a spanner, it comes with 2 of these filters, it comes with a connection pipe, and 2 years worth of these. The only maintenance to be done on these pumps is once every few months you just clean this off and you check the wear and tear on these valves. And there's a pressure tank you'll see in a minute, we just check the air pressure in the tank. That's all the maintenance. The kit comes with 2 years worth of these, and these are about $1 or $2 each, not a lot. So maintenance for this pump per year is between $10 and $20, and that's it. And you check it once every quarter. So I won't put it together, but this is it. It's just bits of plastic, specially shaped, with some rubber valves. Pretty simple stuff, eh?